Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Chinese breadstick, which is also known as Youtiao. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the recipe, and also press the bell icon to get notification about my next recipe for free. I'm going to start by taking 2 cups of flour. That's about 300 grams of flour. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, then 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt, and I'm going to mix it well. Okay. I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of soda, bicarb. That's soda. Next, I'm going to add 1 egg, and mix it. Okay. Once it's nicely mixed, I'm going to gradually add water. And make this into a nice soft dough. So gradually add little by little water until you know that's enough to make it into a nice dough. Okay? Alright, I'm going to start using my hand and kneading it. To make this into a nice soft dough. Once the dough is ready, I'll get back to you. And finally, just about a small teaspoon of oil, to make sure my dough is nice and soft. So my dough is almost ready. So here you go, the dough is now ready. I'm going to cover this now and let it rise for about, leave it aside and let it rise for about 2 hours. It should double in size. It's been now 2 hours and you can see it has risen and it's become twice its size. So they're now ready to start frying. So here you go. My breadsticks are ready. They're delicious to eat. Let's go ahead and open one. I'll show you how it is. Look. Perfect. They look delicious. Crispy from outside and soft from inside. You must try it at home. If you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for free. Also don't forget the bell icon and share the recipe with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home. Delicious to eat. I will now enjoy this with my tea for breakfast.